in power sharing with Kenya Kwanza, or what the so-called nusu mkate. In fact, our position remains that Kenya Kwanza is an illegitimate regime that is in power through a civilian coup. We have instructed our team to make this very clear. We are not interested in any deals other than open talks on issues we have made public. We have also instructed our delegates to make it clear that we cannot want these talks to go for longer than 30 days from the date of commencement. We have also made it clear that our youths who have been arrested and arraigned in court on trumped-up charges must be released unconditionally ahead of the talks. During the protest this last Tuesday, a number of hired thugs were unleashed on Nairobians by Gachagua and Moses Kuria to rain terror on people and destroy property, which was then blamed on Azimio youths. We are aware, and many Kenyans are aware, that during our last protest, Gachagua, Kuria, and their mercenaries in Kenya Kwanza had engaged assassins from within and outside established security forces to kill Azimio leaders and implement mass murder of protesters. We knew their plans and changed tact. When people with the history of mass murder and execution of witnesses tell you that they are going to kill you, you believe them or die. The threats notwithstanding, we will continue with our engagements with other people